Wait lang, usap muna tayo. Hindi ko masyadong nag-gets yung lesson eh. Ask mo muna natin si Macni. Hoy Macni, base sa discussion kanina, what is mercy?
Mercy, yun daw yung compassion in action eh, yung feeling na nararamdaman natin when we see someone in need. Tapos dapat daw hindi nagtatapos sa pagkaawa lang, but to actively reach out and make a difference. Tara!
Ah, yun pala yun. But where does the word mercy came from?
Mercy came from a Latin word na misericordia daw, which literally means to have a heart for those in misery. Kaya siya mercy.
Okay, so mercy is about helping others. But why is it important, especially in today's world?
Important siya kasi we live in a world that often glorifies self-interest and pleasure. May tawag dyan eh. Hedonism, yon. It's this idea that life is all about pleasure and avoiding pain. But if we live for our own comfort, mawawalan tayo ng paki sa iba. So parang yung mercy, reminder siya na life isn't just about what we can get, but also about what we can give. Teka ba yung elevator? Yan, hindi na tayo umabot.
Ah, yun pala yun. But how do we actually live out mercy?
One way is through the corporal works of mercy, the concrete actions that helps those in need. Ayan, nandiyan na, tara! Saan tayo, girl? So, nasa na nga ako? Yun, yung corporal works of mercy. So, this include the feed the hungry, giving drinks to the thirsty, clothing the naked, sheltering the homeless, visiting the sick, visiting the prison, and burying the dead. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa heroic acts that we can do for others, but it can also be through kindness. Kahit nga pag-share mo daw ng lunch mo, pag nakalimutan niya, it's an act of mercy.
But why do these works matter so much?
Kasi it's a reminder na faith isn't just about words. It's about actions. And sabi nga na St. Thomas Aquinas, mercy isn't just about feeling compassion. It's about doing something.
Wait nga, Be, upo nga muna tayo.
Ayan, dami mo kasing tanong eh.
Parang nga mas naiintindihan ko. Pero ngayon mas nagets ko na ang lesson na spirituality of mercy is a call to action.
Yes, tama. Pope Francis says we live in a throwaway culture kung saan we discard things, pati nga tao eh. But sa lesson today, we learned na when we show mercy, we reflect God's love to the world.
Thank you, Be, ha. Gets ko na.
Okay na? Pwede na kumuwi? Sige na.
Sige na, bye!
Bye.
Thank you!
Be merciful.